Hi, good day. This is a continuation of the registration and login form using React Native. For this video, we will be adding a Google login using Firebase. You can visit rnfirebase.io for the documentation. So first, we will install or configure our React Native project for Firebase. Once you visit the site, click Getting Started and click Miscellaneous for Expo project and look for Expo. It says here that integration with Expo is possible in both bare workflow and custom managed workflow via config plugins. And React Native Firebase cannot be used in the Expo Go app because it requires custom native code. So let's now install the React Native Dev Client. Here, since we already have a project, we will just convert this, or we will just install the React Native Dev Client or Expo Dev Client. Here, click Custom Development Client. Then, let's install EAS CLI. Copy this and open the project folder. Here in terminal, let's terminate this first and paste. If you are using OS X or Linux, don't forget to add sudo. Then wait for the installation to finish. Okay, after installing EAS CLI, let's initialize. To initialize a development build, you need to install Expo Dev Client. So let's now install Expo Dev Client. Okay, let's read this. Let's open first the next step and import Expo Dev Client because we might forget to add this one. Copy, import Expo Dev Client and open a registration screen, or I mean login screen.js. Paste that here and go back to the create development build and where is it? And let's now create an EAS build for our Android application. We'll first create an EAS build for Android before going to iOS. But first, before we execute this command, we first have to create an Expo account. Just visit expo.dev, click sign up, enter your email, then sign up. Okay, once signing up is complete, we go back to our project Okay, here let's first check if there is an EAS account logged in. Let's type in the command EAS and who am I. And if the one logged in here is not your account, you have to log in again. Type in EAS space login, then enter your email or username. Then let's check again, EAS, who am I? And if the one logged in is your account, let's go back to the documentation and copy this command. Let's now build an EAS for our Android project. Then paste here. It says, EAS projects not configured. Would you like to automatically press Y? Then enter. Press Y. Then wait for the build to finish. These usually take 5 to 10 minutes. Once building is finished, press Y to install and run the Android build on your emulator. Then wait for this to finish. If the installation doesn't move, you can manually install this. Just copy the link and open the browser and paste. Then click install. Download anyway. Then install the APK. Okay, then once the development build has started, let's now run the project. So instead of typing npm start, we will type in npx expo start dash dev client. Since React Native or Firebase, React Native Firebase cannot be used in Expo Go app. So we will run our project using this command. Okay, let's try it. Okay, then for the next video, we will be configuring the Google sign-in package and the Google Firebase console.